Let's draw a nice shape. So you can see here I'm drawing a human figure. Just started. Okay. Mm-hmm. And drawing the outlines here. Okay. Putting the hairs on the top. Okay. All right. It's a long hair. Mm-hmm. And on the other side you can see the designs of the hair is looks good. You can put a hand here, but before that let's draw a line like this. Mm-hmm. All right, you can see the connection points. Okay, all right. And the dress is just running all over the places. You can see. Okay, the transition points here, and the hands on the other side. Okay, you can see the fingers, and as you know the hand is coming from the other side, so partially visible. We're just putting it here. All right, this is the dress. Putting the colors, significant lines here. Each line defines each curve. Okay, the front part you can see the line drawings. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, and from the back you can see the dresses here. Okay, so wrinkles of the dress is clearly visible. So lots of wrinkles. You can see the total outlook. It looks nice. And for the dresses you can see the partially the whole outlook and the presentations. For the hair we can put more lines, because when we put the shades later all these lines is going to show the hair lines, and this is going to be the detailed parts of the hair lines. So we're putting lots of, you can see most of the time this is parallel. So it's coming up here. Okay, and also same thing is going to be the this side. Okay, all right, so you can see the many things. The shades and the combinations of the shadows of the hair is going to be the great for this drawing. Okay, all right. And you can see the other parts of the dress is just rolling here, and you can do the connection points like this. Okay, So as you know, the more you work on it, the more the drawing is going to be fun. And yeah, the other parts of the dress, then you can show up like this. Little darkness, you can put shades here also along the border, in these points, more wrinkles and dark shadows here. Okay, so this is the drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.